Hello, my name is Joel Southwell. I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing and I've been with Fulton for 25 years. Fulton has been an innovator in the condensing boiler market for 30 years now. With that comes expectations in the industry to make sure that we meet our customer requirements. And with that, our customer focus and the customer service that we provide is second to none in the industry.
When a customer calls in, it's very important to us that a real person answers the phone. Fulton developed the H.E.A.R.T values, so everybody that works for Fulton understands what the expectations are for how we interact with each other as employees and how we interact with our business partners, from our customers to our vendors. The H.E.A.R.T values are H, honesty and integrity, E, effective and results-oriented, A, always customer-focused, R, respectful and considerate, and T for team player.
We can take those values that we have and they can be synonymous with the values that our reps have.
When a customer calls Fulton and has a problem, we first start by trying to find out what the problem is and work towards fixing that problem in a timely manner and making sure that the customer is happy with what we have done for them. You may have a call from a customer and he's angry, and it's up to customer service to fix that problem and make him a happy customer by the time we're done.
When times are easy, conversations are easy. It's when times are a little bit more difficult, that's when real communication and relationships and partnerships come into play. And we work together to come up with a solution for our customer, who inevitably is the only reason why we're here right now.